Hey everyone, I'd like to discuss with you the dangers of working at heights. And my questions to you is why workers are taking risks despite awareness of the danger in working at heights and not even donning or wearing full body harness. Working at heights remains one of the greatest concerns and one of the biggest causes of accidents, which results to major physical injuries and even fatalities. Some workers at heights are taking some risks by not wearing and donning full body harness while working at heights, or what we call PFAS, or Personal Fall Arrest System, or in layman's term, body harness. PFAS is comprised of body harness, lanyard with shock absorber, and lifeline. Workers should be given awareness of the hazards of working at heights in terms of workers fall from heights or objects falling from heights like tools, equipment, and materials, and collapse of scaffolding or ladder, or people below the heights getting hit by falling objects. Actually, there's already regulations about working at heights, but workers are violating these regulations. It's either employers are not providing PPE or personal protective equipment to their workers, or workers' stubbornness not using PPE despite the PPE's availability in the workplace. That's why it's critical for the company and contractors to formulate the policy and SOP that they should be in place for compliance and provide all workers involved in working at heights practical training or awareness training. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.